Do you want to know how to escape the rat race forever and achieve financial freedom? You will learn powerful wealth secrets that will be revealed today. What does financial freedom mean to you? Often, when we hear the term financial freedom, our minds dart to images of opulence, of yachts and private jets, of limitless credit cards and bank accounts overflowing with money. But let's step back for a moment. Financial freedom, in its true essence, isn't about accumulating enormous wealth or living a life of luxury, although those can be part of it for some. Financial freedom is about living comfortably, without the constant worry of money. It's about having the means to provide for your family, to enjoy the fruits of your labor, and to have a safety net for those unexpected moments life throws at you. It's about having the liberty to make choices, to pursue your passions, and to live life on your terms. The difference lies not in the amount of money earned, but in the approach to managing and growing that money. So what does financial freedom mean to you? It's time to redefine your understanding. Take a moment to imagine your life with financial freedom. To achieve any form of success, you need a destination in mind. Imagine embarking on a journey without a map or a clear destination. You'd likely end up wandering aimlessly, right? The same applies to your financial journey. You must set clear financial goals to guide your decisions and actions. Think of these goals as the milestones on your road to financial freedom. They should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Start with short-term goals, such as saving for a much-needed vacation or paying off a small debt. Your medium-term goals might include saving for a down payment on a house or starting your own business. And your long-term goals? These are the big ones, like retiring comfortably or leaving a legacy for your children. Remember, it's not just about setting these goals. It's about creating a plan to reach them, monitoring your progress, and making adjustments along the way. Remember, a dream without a plan is just a wish. Hard work is the road to success. A strong work ethic isn't just about putting in long hours or pulling all-nighters. It's about dedication, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. It's about giving your all every single day, even when things get tough. Let's consider the story of Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX and Tesla. He often works over 80 hours a week, and he's been quoted saying that work like hell is one of his key pieces of advice. And it's not just about the quantity of work, but the quality. Musk is known for his attention to detail, his refusal to settle for good enough, and his constant drive to innovate and improve. Or think about Oprah Winfrey, who rose from poverty to become one of the most influential women in the world. She worked tirelessly, facing numerous setbacks and challenges, but never gave up. With hard work, you can turn dreams into reality. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. And when it comes to achieving financial freedom, the power of a positive and proactive attitude cannot be overstated. It's the driving force that keeps you going, despite setbacks and challenges. It's the spark that ignites your passion and fuels your determination to succeed. Imagine for a moment a hurdle in your path. Now, a negative attitude would make you see this hurdle as an insurmountable obstacle, but a positive attitude, that transforms the hurdle into a stepping stone, a chance to learn, to grow, and to inch closer towards your goals. A proactive attitude, on the other hand, is about taking initiative. It's about seeking opportunities rather than waiting for them to come to you. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and steering it in the direction you desire. So remember, your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude. Keep that spirit high, keep that attitude positive, and there's no limit to what you can achieve. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. Thank you for your support. Knowledge is power. This statement rings true in every aspect of life, especially when it comes to achieving financial freedom. The world of finance and wealth creation is continuously evolving, and staying updated is crucial to your success. It's all about being a perpetual student. Embrace the habit of continuous learning and personal development. The most successful people in the world are those who never stop learning. They read books, attend seminars, and learn from mentors. They are constantly seeking new knowledge and ways to improve. Books are an excellent source of knowledge. They provide insights and perspectives from some of the greatest minds in history. Seminars are a great way to learn from experts in a particular field. They provide an opportunity to network and learn from like-minded individuals. Mentors are invaluable. They've been where you want to go and can guide you on your path to success. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Embrace the journey, and remember, every step is an opportunity to learn and grow. The more streams of income you have, the faster you will reach financial freedom. A powerful statement, isn't it? But what does it mean? Simply put, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income. One way to do this is by starting a side hustle. It could be anything from selling handmade crafts online to offering freelance services in an area you're skilled at, or even starting a blog. The aim here is to create something that generates extra income alongside your regular job. Another fantastic way to increase your income is through investing. Stocks, bonds, real estate, you name it. The beauty of investing is that it allows your money to work for you, even when you're not working. It's like having a mini army of dollar bills marching out to bring back more dollars. Increasing your income is a journey, and it starts with a single step. So don't just stand there at the starting line. Don't wait for the opportunity. Create it. It's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. This is the mantra of living below your means. It's a cornerstone of financial wisdom that's often overlooked in the pursuit of wealth. You see, the key isn't just earning more, it's also about spending less. Consider this. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. It's about being mindful of your spending habits, distinguishing between wants and needs. It's about making smart decisions today that your future self will thank you for. Try simple strategies like preparing meals at home, utilizing public transportation, or even choosing experiences over material possessions. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of life's pleasures, but about finding a balance that allows you to enjoy today while securing your tomorrow. So, let's redefine wealth. It's not just about the size of your bank account. It's about financial security, freedom, and peace of mind. Wealth is not about having a lot of money, it's about having a lot of options. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Picture this. You're the captain of your own ship, and your budget is your map. It guides you through the choppy waters of income and expenses, helping you steer clear of financial storms. Creating a budget is like building a financial blueprint. It gives you control over your finances and helps you navigate towards your financial goals. The first step is to understand where your money is currently going. Track your expenses, every cup of coffee, and every utility bill. The second step is to plan your spending. Allocate funds for necessities, savings, and a little for enjoyment too. Remember, a budget isn't about restriction, it's about control. It's a tool that allows you to prioritize your spending, manage your money effectively, and achieve your financial goals. So, be the captain of your ship, chart your course, and let your budget guide you to financial freedom. Budgeting isn't about limiting yourself, it's about making the things that excite you possible. Debt is the biggest obstacle to financial freedom. It's like a weight, holding you back from reaching your financial goals. But fear not, because reducing and avoiding debt is doable, and there are strategies to help you conquer it. Firstly, know your debt. It's crucial to understand what kind of debt you have and its interest rates. This knowledge will guide your repayment strategy. Secondly, prioritize your debts. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, as they accumulate more cost over time. Thirdly, consider consolidating your debts. By merging your debts into one, you can manage them more efficiently and potentially lower your interest rates. Lastly, create an emergency fund. This reserve will prevent you from accumulating more debt when unexpected expenses come up. Remember, the journey to reducing debt may be challenging, but every dollar paid off is a step closer to financial freedom. Free yourself from the burden of debt and you'll find financial freedom. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. Imagine having a stream of income that works for you while you sleep. It's not a fantasy, it's a reality for those who understand the power of passive income. Let's break it down. Passive income is money earned without trading your time for it. It's about creating something once, like a book or an online course, and then earning from it over and over again. Or perhaps you're more into investments. Stocks, bonds, real estate, these can all become sources of passive income. The key is to diversify your income streams, so if one dries up, you've got others flowing in. Remember, it takes time and effort to create these passive income sources. But once they're set up, they can provide a steady income stream that can help you achieve your financial goals. It all boils down to this: make money work for you, not the other way around. Health is wealth. You've probably heard this phrase before, but let's really think about it for a moment. Maintaining good health isn't merely about feeling good or looking good. It's about longevity, productivity, and achieving your financial goals. You can't climb the ladder of financial freedom if you're constantly battling sickness. So, how can you stay healthy? First, make sure to exercise regularly. It doesn't have to be anything strenuous. A brisk walk or a quick swim will do. Second, eat a balanced diet. Your body needs fuel to function, so give it the right kind. Third, don't forget about your mental health. Stress can be just as damaging as any physical ailment. Practice mindfulness, meditate, or simply take a few moments each day to relax and recharge. Remember, your health is an investment. The returns you get in terms of productivity, energy, and longevity are invaluable. Invest in your health. It's the best wealth you can possess. Financial freedom is not a dream, it's a journey. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.